Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning what's the purpose of this switch. Okay, actually, this is backspace or delete button or correct button. So we are here. We are under 1000. Then you will be change it to 100. It is very simple. Press here. You can see that. So actually, this is a backspace or delete button. Some calculator have this symbol, or you can see delete, or you can see correct, anything. So this is the purpose of this button. It is not for play or replay. It is actually for uh, cancel or delete, backspace, that kind of uses. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.